Hey Rockstar, got another live call for you today. I was doing a follow-up for one of my students. They had brought me one of their leads, a seller lead, to where they had already had a conversation and they were about $40,000 apart. So I made the call, we made a bunch of progress, and so check it out. Let me know what you noticed, what did you learn, and what do you think it was that specifically caused the seller to really loosen up and start to play ball. Check it out. EpicBreakthrough.com is the creative financing breakthrough real estate investors are looking for. Get started with a list of 21 creative financing terms and deal structure templates to invest in real estate using more of your mind and less of your money. Epic is changing the game. Start now for free at EpicBreakthrough.com. Hey, is this...
Yes.
Hey, it's Matt, and we haven't met, but I think you met my partner Thomas recently.
Yeah, thanks, Matt, for returning the call. Appreciate it.
You bet. He left me some notes. So I'm the one over here that writes the checks every week, and we've got about, we've got like a not exorbitant, but more than usual deals on our desk. It feels like the market's shifting a little bit, and I think we got enough to try and pull off 3 this week, and Thomas thought yours might be one of them.
Oh, for the house?
Yes.
Well, I talked to Thomas. I'm probably going to just fix it up and sell it myself because the price didn't seem quite that great. You know what I mean?
Right. Well,
yeah.
I just have some notes here. What did Thomas, you guys spoke about price?
Thomas? Yeah. Let me see, what did I do with that? I had it here somewhere. But yeah, it was like, let me turn it back here. Yeah, he called. We've been in touch. Let me see.
Okay.
Let's see what we got here. I thought you were different, Matt. I thought you were Matt from Terminex. No big deal. Yeah, let me see what we got here.
We get rid of critters too, so.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, actually, they had sent one thing before. It was like, and purchase price 140. Option 1. There was like an option 2 and all that, but I didn't want any options 2, 3, 4, or 5. I was basically looking to sell it out,
Right.
And I fell, and it was purchase price was 140. I know I could do a lot better on my own if I, put the flooring and paint the entire inside. It's going to look a lot better, and I'll probably get close to 200 at that point. But the lowest price house in Port Charlotte's like 179, and that's those tiny little things.
Got it. So, do you know what price or properties like? Do you know what properties like yours are selling for? Do you have any idea there?
Yeah. If they're fixed up, they could be in the 200s. Easy.
200. Okay.
It depends. Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah. I mean, shoot, if you have the means and the know-how to fix these things up.
Yeah. So that's at first I thought maybe if I got a lot, if it was a lot more than that, it would be 140 seemed too low to me.
Got it. So how much do you think you're actually gonna have to? Just out of curiosity, how much do you think you actually have to put into it to get your price?
Probably not that much. I got some estimates. The flooring was only like $3,000, for carpeting and vinyl, and then the paint job was like $5,500. So you're talking like $8,500 so far to just that part.
Got it. Are you living in the property or is it vacant?
Yeah. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
Are you living in the property or is it vacant?
Oh, no, it's all empty. Yeah.
Got it. Oh, so it is empty now. You cut out on me too. I missed the punchline there.
Yeah, okay. It's all completely empty. Yeah.
Got it. Yeah. So if you were going to keep it as a rental and find a new tenant, what are a couple of other things that you think you would fix for sure? Anything?
Yeah. Oh, you mean if I? The kitchen cabinets and everything's there. It's just I probably I don't want to spend too much on updating all the kitchen cabinets or anything, but I'm sure if I sold it, somebody eventually would probably change those out. Maybe I would say the bathtub and toilet are like the green color, you know what I mean, like that older green. But so I would say somebody would probably do the tub, and eventually. I mean, it's there, it works, everything's fine.
Sure.
It's just to me, green is not a good tub color. But I would say the tub, toilet, and cabinetry. And maybe the cabinetry. It's there. Everything's there. It works. That's why I'm only doing all the flooring and the entire interior, painted.
Got it.
Including inside the garage.
Okay, cool. I mean, it sounds like something that's kind of up our alley, but I don't like to do this stuff if we're both winning, and it sounds like we're a little far apart. So I don't think I'm the right buyer for you.
Yeah, it does sound like, but it is a good, some people, if they don't have other options. It's not bad, what you guys are doing. You know, I think it's a good thing. Some people, are out of state or too old or whatever. And I get that people have to make money. You know what I mean? It's not like.
Yeah, we got to keep the lights on over here. For sure.
So no, I get you. I mean, I've had the house for over 20 years, but I know what you mean. Yeah, rents have gone way up too. I mean, if I wasn't moving to North Carolina, because the house is across the street from my current house, so it's easy. I've been watching it for over 20 years over here. But if I wasn't moving, I probably still would have kept it. I mean, I could still rent it out and have a rental company take care of the whole thing for me. I mean, rents they'll probably rent for $1,600 a month, easy.
Yes, yeah. Rents are like outpacing home prices now, so it's like, that never happens. But it's going on right now. All kinds of weird stuff going on right now. Super. All right. So if we chose to go ahead and kind of maybe redraft our offer, will we have to pay off any taxes, liens, or a mortgage?
No, all that stuff's paid. I have no mortgages on the house. I haven't had a mortgage since I bought it 20 years ago. So,
got it.
No, we're good.
Okay. And
there's nothing there. Nothing at all.
And you don't like the idea of taking some money now and the rest later?
No, not really. No, not really. I mean, if I was younger, I would, but not right now. Yeah.
Okay. If we could save you from all of the repair work and effort, what would be like? Okay, let's do this price.
I don't know. It'd have to be like, I'm thinking, I was looking in the 180s range, but and you guys are at 140, so. So I'm probably gonna attempt to maybe take care of it, I guess.
Okay. So we did 180.
Yeah.
You had quotes there from 3K and 5K, so maybe 10K we put in would be 190.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just kind of seeing how I can make money on this and maybe save you some effort there.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's about where it would be. Yeah.
Perfect.
And I definitely will slow, if it's fixed up really nice in the 200s. I don't see any problem. If you look up all the homes in Port Charlotte, you're only going to see a handful under 200. There's maybe like, I don't know, 5 or 6 homes, and a lot of those don't have any garage, and some of them are smaller,
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So if we came up and met you like at 160, that would be a no-go?
I don't know. I mean, I can think about it. Talk to my wife. If I could run it by her and see what we think. But I got your name and number here. It's
perfect.
310-883-4.
Yeah, that's my cell number. Yeah.
So you're thinking 160? You're thinking?
Yeah. I mean, I'm gonna crunch numbers too. I'm just trying to see how we can both win here. And
right.
That's all.
Yeah. Okay. If you want to, I got an email. I think you guys have. You could text me the quote or whatever you think at that same number you got.
Perfect.
I can run it. I can run it by my wife. It doesn't hurt, and we can think about it. If I decide, I can always give you a call.
Perfect. Okay.
I mean, you're still gonna make money. Believe me, I know you will. Matt. There's no doubt in my mind that if you buy for 160, you would make money.
Okay, cool. Well, the market has more to say about that than I do.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks a lot, Matt. And like I said, if you want to shoot me that quote, go ahead. It's at that number. Okay?
Cool. If you don't hear back from me, I'll have Thomas reach out to you. Okay.
Sounds great.
Thanks. Have a good day.
Okay. Take it easy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So as you can see, we are much closer, and the seller is much more open. Thomas will follow up because I think there's a deal here for sure. It's just up to Thomas. Go ahead and following up. And, based on what the market is doing right now, I think the seller will eventually come to reality. This is going to be a fantastic deal for Thomas, and we'll certainly keep you up to speed. But what did you notice? What did you learn? Share with me below in the comments. And that's it for now. Take care. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.